With coronavirus cases plummeting and vaccinations hitting new milestones, California is considering a dramatic liberalization of COVID-19 safety rules that would allow workers to return without masks and social distancing as long as everyone is vaccinated. The push comes as employers are developing plans to bring back office workers after more than a year of remote work. There has been much debate about what the future of the office will look like, with some firms building elaborate barriers and spacing out workstations to avoid coronavirus spread. But the dramatic success of efforts to contain COVID-19 is changing the dynamics, with public health officials believing workers don't need some of those protections in workspaces where everyone has gotten their shots. That could cover offices and some manufacturing businesses. But the relaxation of existing masking and physical distancing rules would not apply to workers who are exposed to customers who might not be vaccinated. California is set to fully reopen its economy on June 15. On Wednesday, it celebrated another positive milestone: 67.3% of adult Californians are at least partially vaccinated for COVID-19. After a slow start, California now ranks 11th out of all states and is well above the national figure of 60.2%, federal data show. By comparison, the states with the highest levels of partial coverage for adults are Vermont, 78.6%, Hawaii, 77.1%, and Massachusetts, 75.9%. Public health experts say the increasing cumulative rate of immunization, coupled with the small rate of coronavirus spread, is allowing officials to reduce restrictions. For the first time in a long time, I feel optimistic, Dr. Sara Cody, the Santa Clara County Health Officer and Public Health Director, and a key architect of the nation's first regional stay-at-home order, told reporters. For a while, it seemed uncertain to me whether the vaccines or the variants would win. And I think that Team Vaccine is in the lead, holding the lead, and will win. California's Occupational Safety and Health Standards Board is expected to weigh further steps to relax masking and physical distancing requirements for vaccinated workers. Among proposed changes, the board will weigh Thursday morning, dropping a requirement for workers to wear masks when everyone in a room is fully vaccinated and does not have COVID-19 symptoms, and no longer requiring physical distancing at locations where all employees are fully vaccinated. Should the changes go into effect, a supermarket could potentially decide, if all workers on a shift were fully vaccinated, to let employees in a stockroom work without a mask or physical distancing. But vaccinated workers would still have to wear masks when working in public areas of the supermarket, where possibly unvaccinated customers might be shopping.